What's y'all? What's happening, man? Quick little bash, man, of the Team Associated SC10. I run this at the track. On occasion, man, I put these SpeedTreads on it. These SpeedTreads are awesome. These are the off-road SpeedTreads. So I'll leave a link in the bottom. I really don't even want to leave a link, man, because you're going to jock it. But damn. I'll get a close-up of it. There we go. SpeedTreads on that bad boy. You know, it's a couple other modifications, but, you know, it's a Vox servo, reedy power system, reedy ESC. Cool little two-wheel I run the track. I saw that little hump. I was like, man, let me go and get the camera. That's enough for me talking. I'm gonna go and bash with it. Read the description, man. Come on, man. I will tell you I'm rolling on the 3S Smart battery. I believe it's the 50.
Like it's a big game and we all feel that TikTok. Women over 20 biological clock.
Nice break.
Take your time, everybody.
I'm running this on my Mojave receiver.
Fast, you get that break free.
That's the cool thing about short course trucks. As anyone knows, these are the most realistic RCs. You know, if you have a Creighton, you can't do that in real life. You can't take turns that full speed at full scale in real life. But a short course truck mimics real life driving the most out of any RC, you know. So it takes some handling. That's what I like about it.
I just gotta do a perfect line. Y'all know how it is. You gotta do one perfect. Yeah. There it is. It's gonna be the one, y'all. Just feel it. Right here. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. A lot of people have a slash and a sentence. You know, and I don't knock that either. I have a sentence for various other reasons. But the short course, man, I'm definitely rolling with the SC10. I can do this fashion all day. On the 3S, this shit's hard as hell. Oh. Alright, let's wrap this up. I lied. One more, y'all. You know, it starts getting good to you. Oh, that was nice. Oh, shit. It started to get good to me, y'all. Oh, I guess that's my cue. Kicks and kits. Holla at your boy, man. Like, share, subscribe, or dislike.